In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a domain you already own to Squarespace using Hostinger. If you already have a domain registered and you want to use it with your Squarespace website, this process is fairly straightforward. The main goal is to point your domain's DNS records to Squarespace so visitors who type in your domain name are taken to your site correctly. To do that, we'll first collect the connection records from Squarespace, and then we'll add those records inside Hostinger. Start by logging into your Squarespace account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to Settings, then Open Domains. In the Domains section, choose the option that says Use a domain I own. This tells Squarespace that your domain is registered somewhere else, and that you want to connect it manually. Squarespace will now show you the DNS records required for the connection. These usually include a CNAME record and several A records. Take your time here and carefully copy the values exactly as they appear. Accuracy matters because even one incorrect character can prevent the domain from connecting properly. It's a good idea to keep this page open or copy the details into a temporary note so you can reference them in the next step. Next, log into your Hostinger hPanel account. After you're signed in, locate the domain you want to connect and open the DNS or name servers area for that domain. This is where you manage the records that control where your domain points. Now begin adding the records provided by Squarespace. First, enter the CNAME record exactly as shown in Squarespace. Then add each of the A records one by one, making sure the host and value fields match what Squarespace gave you. Be careful not to change any punctuation, spacing, or formatting. DNS settings need to be precise in order to work correctly. Once all of the required records have been added in Hostinger, save your changes. At this point, the connection has been configured, but it may not start working immediately. DNS updates can take some time to propagate across the internet, so it's normal if the domain does not connect right away. In some cases, it happens quickly,